What's up, y'all? Welcome back to another episode of Life with me, girl.
Good, loving, feel so numb. Drive me till I'm about to come. I see you are about to climb.
Before y'all start this video, I just wanted to show you guys the end result. So if you guys want to see how I achieved this look, continue to watch this video. On today's episode, we're going to be doing my hair, y'all. This is going to be a DIY, start to finish, lace front slay, okay? So if your hair is looking like this and you have a wig, you happen to have a wig, and you want to apply it, which I advise you guys to get your wig from WestKiss. They are a 10 out of 10 wig company, from the quality hair to the way it comes in, which y'all are going to see as we continue on to this video. So let's just get right into it. The goal is to get the top as flat as possible. So if you have little hair like me, I'm just going to spray some like spritz to hold the ponytail. But if you don't have little hair like me, like, you know, I cut my hair into a bob, so I could pull this off probably a good couple more times before it grow back. If you don't have this, then girl, do some braids, because you really want a flat surface. Like, y'all see how flat my hair getting? So I am a little nervous to do this install, but I got my cosmetology license. It's probably a fun fact you guys don't know. I went to cosmetology school in high school. Like, stop. Your girl got a bald head. Watch out, ladies. While it dries, I'm going to start putting my makeup, which I got Ruby Kisses in the color 12. I'm going to use both of these for real. And I'm just going to put it on the actual cap. She said don't get it for real on the hairline because it creates oil. And oil and glue does not mix. Okay. Now it's time to cut. And I am a little nervous for this. So I'm just gonna cut. I kept it glued for so long. I feel like I want to use these. I've been seeing people use these because I don't have small scissors. Still gonna spray some on there. And literally just tie a little doink. My little doink back there. I feel like I did good. I don't even know how to put on a wig. Oh! No freaking way, guys. So this is in a size medium. So I'm about to add some Ruby Kiss on the inside. coverage, and they pre-bleach it as well, and they did a 10 out of 10 job, y'all. Like, when I tell you, I called Cece, I'm like, girl, I don't even gotta bleach this, because I bought all the stuff about to bleach the wig and everything, and she like, girl, they did a great job at bleaching and plucking. So who you know? What wig company do you know? They got this band in the back that I just put right under that little bun I had. It fits nice and tug. Alright, let me calm down, y'all. Hold on. Let's get into it, y'all. Let's get into it. So, I'm just gonna do what I seen. And I'm really just gonna chase this. And you really just want to take your time with this part. And make sure you're not causing like any thick pieces, thick areas. Y'all make sure y'all get this part real good, because y'all know how this part like to tussle. And just make sure you're spreading it out even. I really want this wig to last, or not even last. I want to see what am I capable of, Miss Cosmetologist? Stop it. Stop acting like you ain't go to school. Stop acting like hair don't make you happy. Ah! Hair makes me so happy, y'all. So we're going to let this first layer dry completely, and then we're going to add the next one, which I see a hair. Ooh. Because I know that I really should be starting on this side, honestly. Because this side, but this side I feel like is going to be dried first. Alright, so we just gonna take our time. And pull this where it needs to be. Dang. Y'all see that? What the heck did I do over here? We're gonna see what I can finesse, but like, dang, girl. Oh my gosh, y'all, that was just so easy. Besides the ear slabs that I truly, like, really messed up on, like, this is pretty much easy. And then I'm gonna, you know, make sure it's getting in there. I can't believe I did this, which I gotta make edges anyway. But like, dang, this is a lot of pieces that I really truly messed up on this. Look at this, y'all. So take me as y'all advice. Y'all see that? Just little pieces to not cut your own ears. If you already put the glue down, just, I don't know, do something else. Make sure you cut your ears. Because this is insane. I'm going to be able to finesse it for real. Like, I was almost there. Now I'm going to have such a hard time with my edges unless I don't do none. And y'all know I love edges. So, like, y'all see the curl pattern already going, so I just got to do, like, a quick little 1-2. I'm trying to sit my seat up a little higher so y'all could truly see this lid. It's back off. this hair is, y'all. The quality of it, how thick it is, how well it curls, how well it's holding the curl. Everything about this hair is a 10 out of 10, y'all. Happy. Y'all don't even understand how happy I am. Get into it. We got... Y'all, stop. Because this is cute. So I'm just going to start with the side one. Alright, let's see. So don't mind. Y'all know I messed up the ear already. But... So I'm just going to cut it a little bit first. And then... What was that? Because I can't even tell I messed up this ear. Because, huh? What was that, honey? Y'all see this little hair right here? Huh? Ouch. I just cut my skin. Y'all. Blood. Okay, let me relax. But y'all understand. Oh, it's blood on my HD lace, bro. Oh, how did I do this? Is this gonna make it lift? I nipped my skin. Like, I don't even know what to do about this. Like, I don't even know what to do because it's staining the lace. Let me be more careful. Y'all, it's like easy to cut and everything. Y'all, I don't know. No! Alright, so y'all see it. Besides the blood, like, I'm irked that this is happening. So now I want to take some of this and like shape my hair. So I'm about to curl these. When I tell you I did my big one on this hair, I had a little incident yesterday. I cut my actual scalp, so this side was all bleeding, but I wanted to show you guys how I fixed it, how nice it looks, how full this hair is. The quality is so soft and stuff. I love it. I love this hair so much. And if you guys want to know where I got it from WestKiss, y'all. WestKiss HD. This is in a size medium. And yeah.